making not 1,
not 2,
not 3,
but 4 types of coquito. Let's go. 4 types of coquito. Let's go.
Coquito is a traditional Puerto Rican coconut drink that is served during the holidays.
We love us some coquito, so we decided to incorporate some more ingredients.
More flavors.
More sazon.
We're making Nutella, pistachio, banana, and strawberry flavored coquito. Not only do we have 4 different flavored coquitos, but we also used 4 different flavored Bacardis. So many Bacardis!
We got all of our bottles delivered directly to our door from BottleRover.com. If you guys want to make this alongside us, make sure to go to BottleRover.com and order your bottles now. So first we're gonna go over our traditional coquito recipe. This is gonna be the base for all 4 of these fun flavored coquitos.
First add 1 15-ounce can of cream of coconut. Then add 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Next add 1 5-ounce can of evaporated milk. You're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Now that you all know the base to our traditional coquito, we're gonna show you what we added to make all these different flavors. And first up,
pistachio. So you're gonna add 2 cups of pistachio almond ice cream and 1.5 cups of Bacardi Superior. Pistachio. How do you say pistachio?
pistachio.
Pistachio. Is it Italian?
Pistachio.
Is it
I feel like it's Italian.
I feel like it's Italian too. Okay, let's go. Let's make this pistachio. Coquito. I'm ready. I'm ready to taste.
I'm so excited. Cheers to the holidays. Oh my god, that's so good.
That's a beautiful thing.
And just the right amount of booze. And I love that it's green. That's a holiday color.
Yeah, that is a
It's so festive. It's bringing life. Happy. Are you happy? So happy right now.
I'm so happy. All right, guys, we're gonna move on to the next flavor, banana. B-A-N-A-N-A-S.
For the banana recipe, prepare your base and then add 1 cup of pureed banana and 1.5 cups of Bacardi coconut. And get ready to feel like you have become a monkey and all you want to do is eat bananas.
I'm ready. Cheers.
I'm excited.
It smells like banana.
Okay, wow.
The banana flavor is really coming through. On a normal basis, I eat a banana every morning. I think for the holidays, I'm gonna have a banana coquito in the morning
Wow.
to start my day.
That's one way to start off on the right foot. And the coconut rum in this is really bringing out the coconut cream. Like, you really want to taste some coconut too. And it's such a nice balance with the banana. Loving it.
Wow. Cheers to
Cheers to
bananas.
that. Let's move on to another fruit.
Yeah.
I love some strawberries, guys.
Oh yeah. For the strawberry coquito, you're gonna make your base and add 1 cup of pureed strawberries and 1.5 cups of your dragonberry Bacardi. I love strawberry. Love it. For most of my childhood, strawberry ice cream was my favorite, so I'm excited for this.
Then this is gonna be a real treat for you, girl.
I know. Oh my gosh. It is like childhood heaven in my mouth right now. Wow.
The strawberries are poppin'. And the dragonberry is actually a dragon fruit and strawberry rum. And it's really complementing the strawberries. This is fabulous.
This is like boozy strawberry ice cream. Goodness. Wow. All right. Well, okay, I think it's time. It's about that time for the Nutella, guys.
In this Nutella coquito, you're gonna add to your base 1 cup, yes you heard me, 1 cup of Nutella and 1.5 cups of spiced Bacardi. Hello, Nutella coquito.
Nutella. That's what you've been waiting for. That's why you're here.
Yeah, let's
It's
be
fine.
real.
It's fine. You're not here for us. You're here for the Nutella
Yeah.
coquito. It's fine.
Looking like the whole snack.
Oh my god, it's a dessert.
It is.
Cheers. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I have no
So
words.
good.
I just want to drink it. I don't even want to talk.
And what's interesting about Bacardi Spice, I don't know if this is a thing, if they actually put chocolate in here, but I definitely get notes of chocolate. It was perfect for this coquito, to be honest.
It's beautiful. It's a beautiful combination. It is just heaven.
In a glass.